line. How dare you drag my mother? And until you apologize to my mother, I will drag you to the last drop of my blood. Gutire hede ogeruma mami gwirorere we Nyakanga. Gutire hede. No. Onawe wanathi uriri ugaciara na gutire mundu ungikwanura we arume ciana ciaku na nyina ikire. Na angikorwo ni ndetagira muthikiriria with blood and sweat, I even risk my life for the listener, then for my mother is gonna be bonfire. I am going to post ni dikero ni mundu hau ati brand ya ngoma ndikwenda kuigwa ucio njoe akinjiara itari na kuria ndi. Gutire brand gutire ke. When you cross that line, you've crossed a red flag. I have never addressed you with your parents. I can never address even William Ruto, the president, with his kids or his... Never. It can never happen. But because you're an idiot, you dragged my mother because you thought you're gonna hit me below the belt. Can I tell you, honey, wewe, nina deal na wewe. Malaya kwa malaya. Agia karaikwacio na rome acio radragi hau akoragwo etirere. I will release your list na mahukuria ndagutwariro kiruta ngome eno na ndire ndira address na ne mweka uru muno ni kunjira nyingira na ni nguhoreretio ni andu mena kiongo kiega. I'd said I'll keep quiet, but until you respect women because you're a women representative, tugutwarana unyo kwa unyo. Edire ya Grace City na ma MCA macio nyitaga makende hau ati ukamagagia. No. Onacio onani arakoma nao gutire kindu itari onanie. Waithaka ni akuhe shoti imwe ngaheane mbere. Tugutwarana nawe. Wabata ngabatani nawe. Tunanyongana mpaka mwisho.